David Bailey Furniture is used to going that extra mile, and that includes the need for real fire protection, particularly in public buildings, such as hospitals and schools. We have been working in both of these sectors for more than 40 years, and know the challenges. That's why we work with architects and other industry-leading specifiers, by supporting the use of high-quality, fire-retardant, fitted furniture for areas of high risk. This is in addition to our wide range of conventional furniture systems for more regular applications. Flame-retardant materials generally work by reducing the surface spread of flame, heat and smoke release, providing vital extra time for a safe escape. Our lean manufacturing facility is flexible enough to work with such materials, without losing any capability or capacity. Just ask. Find out more. Call 01843604896 or email sales@davidbaileyfurniture.company.uk.